Hi guys, Mama Mita here, and I have a video for you about how to add oil to your engine. Okay, so what I do usually is I let my car cool down, and usually the best time for me is early in the morning, and I come out to my car and I pop the hood and I check my oil. And so I'm just going to do that really quick. We did show another video on how to check your oil, so you can go back to that one. But let me see if I can position this camera up here on the hood. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay, so my engine oil stick would be here. So I'm going to pull it out, all the way out, wipe it off. Okay, and then I'm going to put it back in. Straight down, just like that, okay? Then I pull it back out. Now, you want it to be ideally between the two dots, okay? Let me see if I can get that in there close. Between the two dots. Now, if your oil was showing way down here, then you're low on oil. So you don't want to add the whole quart of oil. You want to just like add a little bit, unless it's really low. If it's really low down like that, then yeah, I probably would add a half a quart. So I'm gonna put this back in, okay, and then over here is your engine oil where you would add it at, okay? So just a second, I forgot to get the oil and the funnel out of my car. Trying to keep from the camera falling, plus I've got one of my cats that likes to follow me to go check the mail, and he thinks it's mail time to go check. Anyway, so it's going to tell you on top of the cap of what kind of engine oil you need to add to this. In this case, it's a 5W30. And that's what I've got here, a 5W30. So if I actually was low on oil, then I would take that cap off, and you want to use a funnel. I'll tell you the reason why you don't have to use a funnel, but it's cleaner if you use a funnel, because nothing worse than if you spill a little bit of oil on top of your engine, because then it's going to smoke and it's going to smell and stuff. It's just better to use a funnel and then clean your funnel off afterwards. Okay, so you would put this in here, you would open it up, and if it was really low, like we showed on that, like I was saying on the stick, and you was going to add a half a quart, then you would add your half a quart into the container here, or into the top, and then you would put the top back on, okay? And that's all you have to do. Then I would say maybe the next day, recheck it and see how it's looking. If it still is low, then you would want to add a little bit more oil. But you don't want to add too much oil. You don't want to overfill it, because overfilling your engine with oil is really not good. It's very bad. You could like do damage to your engine. So that's how you would put the oil in your car. Please make sure you check your oil, because if you don't have oil in your car, it's really bad. I mean, you can't imagine how many people stop on the road and their engines are just gone because they did not check the oil. They did not take the time to check the oil. And what happens is it doesn't keep the engine lubricated and all those parts moving and stuff. They start hitting it and everything that's it. It's shot. Anyway, if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.